nights, all of a sudden you turn around and you're there. You don't know how you got there, but you did. It's through the trains I've missed, love I've lost, bridges that I've burned, and the rivers I never crossed, to the signs I did not hear, the call I did not hear, the roads I didn't take, and the maps I wouldn't read. It's a big old world, but I found my way through the hell and the hurt. Led me straight to this. It's to the trains I miss. I've been a clown, I've been a fool, I pushed every chance, I searched far and wide trying to get out of God's hands. There were stones I did not throw, hearts I did not break, and a little hope I held on to with a silver strand of faith. It's a big old world, but I found my way through the hell and the hurt. It led me straight to this. It's to the trains here's to this place I found, love I know, the earth and sky right here that I call my home, to the things that I believe deep inside of me, and the moments when I find myself right where I'm supposed to be. It's a big old world, but I found my way through the hell and the hurt. It led me straight to this. It's to the trains I here's to the trains I've missed, love I've lost, bridges that I've burned, and the rivers I never have crossed. Thanks everybody.